Launched in China last May 2023 was OPPO Reno10 series, and after just 2 months of waiting, they're finally here. Hey guys, CJ here from Yugatech, and if you couldn't tell already by the video's title, we're checking out our favorite features from the standard OPPO Reno10 5G, and why it's a force to be reckoned with. Roll the intro. First up is its overall design and build. The OPPO Reno10 5G exudes sophistication with its sleek design. A seamless blend of glass and aluminum forms the phone's body, ensuring both durability along with premium aesthetics and well-built feel. Available in 2 enchanting colors, ice blue and silvery gray, this device caters to a variety of tastes for any interested buyer who crave a touch of elegance in their smartphones. Our review unit is in the silvery gray color, and for a phone rocking a plastic rear, it really does feel solid enough to hammer a nail down with. We don't recommend that, of course. It's worth mentioning that we also get quirky touches, like a green accented power button, something OPPO has been doing with their handsets for years, as well as a nifty infrared sensor at the top. Next is its display and media consumption capability. The OPPO Reno10 5G boasts a large 6.7-inch 3D AMOLED display that will leave you spellbound. Out of the box, this screen showcases vibrant colors and sharp details with good contrast for an unparalleled visual experience. The display is slightly curved to ensure you don't accidentally touch the screen with your palm. OPPO even claims it's calibrated for 100% coverage of the sRGB and DCI-P3 color spaces. But that's not all. The display is optimized for fluidity with an impressive refresh rate of up to 124 Hz, ensuring that every swipe and scroll feels remarkably smooth with the most optimized user interface. Under the sunlight, smartphone viewing was no slouch either, with a peak brightness that can reach 800 nits. When it came to consuming content on the Reno10 5G, we were pleasantly surprised. It features a stereo speaker setup. The drivers can be found at the top and bottom of the device. And they're really good, especially when you factor its price. The sound stage is wide enough for a smartphone. The resolution is very crisp, especially in the more distorted ultra-wide volume mode. You can activate this by maxing out the volume and going even beyond 100%. But this is probably best used for loudspeaker or video calls and when listening to conversation-heavy content. Overall, we love viewing videos and content on this device. Moving on to our third favorite feature, the cameras. For photography enthusiasts, the OPPO Reno10 5G is a dream come true. Its triple camera setup on the rear elevates your photography game to new heights. It's composed of a 64-megapixel primary sensor, a 32-megapixel telephoto, and an 8-megapixel ultra-wide. The 64-megapixel primary sensor captures good sharp photos with lifelike details. You can get a lot of that 64-megapixel sensor, especially if you know how to paint your subjects properly with light. The 32-megapixel telephoto lens expands your creative possibilities, as it features a 2x hybrid optical zoom and a digital zoom that can go up to 20 times. And for selfie lovers, it boasts a 32-megapixel front-facing camera, adequate for video calls and maybe even live video hosting with a proper lighting setup. Both the main rear feature optical image stabilization, and it's really quite good as well. We can shoot up to 4K at 30 FPS with the main camera and 1080 at 30 FPS with the front-facing camera. Last but not the least is the Reno10 5G's battery. Worrying about running out of juice is a thing of the past with the OPPO Reno10 5G. Equipped with a substantial 5000 mAh battery, this device ensures hours of uninterrupted usage on a single charge. Even better, the phone supports SuperVOOC fast charging so you can quickly juice up your device and get back to conquering the day without delay. Our PC Warp Work 3.0 battery test yielded a result of 10 hours and 29 minutes, which is pretty impressive for its price. Finally, we do have an honorable mention, and it's in the same vein as the nifty IR sensor. This one is a software feature called Pixelate. What it does is allow you to pixelate sensitive details from screenshots, like avatars or profiles, and names from something like chat screenshots and messages. And that's about it for our favorite features of the base OPPO Reno10 5G. If you had to choose an OPPO Reno10 model from the lineup, what should it be? Share it down in the comment section below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and tap that bell icon to get notified of future uploads. Also, follow us on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter. and visit yugatech.com to stay updated with the latest tech news and reviews. Once again, this has been CJ, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye!